will take care of the vertical measurement first. So I mark 0.5 for my sewing seam allowance. 0.5. That is where my sewing will start from. Connect it. So my measurement start from there. So I will follow from the waist, the seam line to the hip is 8 constant, 8, 9. It was 8. So I mark my 8 through. Connect it. Then from the waistline to the knee, okay, to be 18. Usually I take my knee measurement 2 inches above the knee for easy movement. If it's directly on the knee, it will hinder the movement of the person, freedom of movement. Okay, so I take 2 inches above. So this is the knee measurement, hip, and then waistline. Okay, but the next thing I take the whole measurement of the skirt, which is 38. 38, I will give an allowance of 2, making it 40. The sewing allowance make it 40. I want to say big thank you to all our subscribers and those ones that are just stopping by to say hello to us. Don't forget to give us thumbs up. Please make comment, a word of encouragement, so that you can know that you are being helped and you are being encouraged, you are being blessed with our work. Okay. Okay, you know, being an 8 pieces skirt, we are going to divide our measurement by 16 because there will be 4 panels and the 4 at the back, so we'll be dividing by 16. And then what we have here, the waist measurement I have here is 33. When divided by 16, I got 2.1, and I'll be adding 1 inch allowance, making it 3.1. Okay, 3.1. Then the hip measurement is 38. The hip measurement is 38 divided by 16. We have 2.4. Add 1.1 inch to it. We have 3.4. Okay, so the next thing, take that 3.4 down to the knee. When you get to the knee, you leave it. Then connect from the hip measurement to the knee. Remember, when you are cutting it, you fold your fabric into 2. Then connect from the waist to the hip. Okay, just give it a bit. Okay, so the next thing, from the nail, connect it to the end of your skirt. And then don't make it too sharp here, so just manipulate it to be a bit curved. Cut this one now. Okay, so let's cut it out. Cut it through. If you have any particular request you want us to cut, you can make your request. We'll definitely get back to you. Like somebody asked us to get this 360 peplum, which by the grace of God we are getting for him soonest. Okay, cut it. Okay, here we go. This is the middle panel. Your flare depends on how much you want it to be, but I like my own so that it's very full. This is the middle panel. I know being an 8 pieces skirt, we need 8 panels. So for this middle panel, we need 2 of this for the front. So I will make another one of this one for the front panel. Okay, and the same thing, I'm going to make 2 of it again for the back panel. Okay, so just follow me as I explain. Okay, just follow me as I explain. This is the front panel. For the front panel, for the middle panel, you know, we have four pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one of it. I will make, once I get my fabric now, I cut 2 of this one for the front panel. And then when I'm cutting the one for the back, I will add an extra 1.5 inches because of the zipper allowance. Do you understand? So 2 of this one for the front without any extra thing. Then 2 of this one again, I cut them, but make a difference of 1.5 inches different for the zipper allowance. Those are the front and the back panel for the middle that we have cut. So how do we cut for the side, our side? Okay, now that's where it comes. Follow me very well. You know, the side is where the curve is. Our side is where our hip is. The curve comes very well here. So what do we do for the side? Each of the side, let me assume this is one side of the skirt. Let me take it to be the front panel of the skirt. So what do? I come to my knee here. I will enter by 0.5, make it 0.5 here. Okay, so from this one now, I connect it to this place. I connect it here. Let's connect it from here now. So connect it back outside. So I cut this out. The same thing happens here because you can see this is where your hip comes out from very well now. It's deeper than how it was before. The knee measurement here comes in. So by the time I sew it, I have this one to be by the side. But the front, the middle ones are not as curved as this. Do you understand? If you have any comments, any question, you are free to ask. This as the template to cut the lining material. Okay. And from time to time, we give a shout out to our subscribers. And of course, every first timer, I give a shout out to you. You are great. Kudos to you. Thanks very much for stopping by to check us. Thank you.